Seeking justice, what path remains for Sikhs in India? An unjust law is itself a form of violence. These were the words of civil rights leader Martin Luther King Jr., who famously declared, "One has only a legal but a moral responsibility to obey just laws. Conversely, one has a moral responsibility to disobey unjust laws. Breaking such a law is justified, and arresting someone for doing so is an even greater act of violence." For decades, many argue that the rule of law in India has been applied through a double standard, one set of rules for the Sikh minority and another for the majority population. Across India, Sikhs and Muslims are frequently detained under harsh security legislation such as the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA and the National Security Act NSA. Many remained imprisoned for years without trial, only to be declared innocent by the courts after decades of their lives have been stripped away. In contrast, high-profile perpetrators linked to major acts of violence, including the 1984 Sikh genocide and the Gujarat violence, have often avoided arrest despite being named in official reports. Take the case of convicted violent offenders like Gurmeet Ram Rahim, who received repeated paroles within a single year. Meanwhile, political Sikh prisoners who have served over 30 years in prison are systematically denied even temporary leave. Most recently, on August 15, 2026, Sikhs gathered in Mohali for a peaceful demonstration against these ongoing disparities. Authorities responded with a heavy police force, deploying tear gas and harsh measures against the crowd, leaving numerous peaceful protesters injured. Sikh youth are turning to the global community, human rights organizations, and international legal bodies with a fundamental question. If peaceful protest in India is met with brutal state suppression, then what legitimate path to justice remains?